Good day, listeners. I'm your host from Siam Center Law Group, and in this episode we're tackling the complex issue of wrongful termination and the pursuit of compensation. Should you take your case to court, or is it better to approach the labor inspection officer? Let's break it down. Option 1, filing a labor lawsuit. The first path you can take is to file a labor lawsuit in the labor court. This is a formal legal process where you present your case before a judge, and it involves several stages, including mediation and, if necessary, a trial. Option 2, submitting a complaint to the labor inspection officer. Alternatively, you can submit a complaint to the labor inspection officer. This process is generally quicker and less formal. The officer will investigate the facts, gather evidence, and make a determination on your claim. Comparing the two options. To decide which route is best for you, consider the procedures involved. The labor inspection officer's process includes filing a complaint, investigation, and potentially a directive for the employer to pay compensation or a dismissal of the claim. Cost considerations. One of the primary concerns for many is the cost. Fortunately, both filing a complaint with the labor inspection officer and suing in labor court are free of charge. However, if you choose to go to court, hiring a lawyer is advisable to navigate the complexities of legal documentation and to avoid potential pitfalls that could lead to losing a case that should be won. Evidence gathering. When it comes to evidence, the labor inspection officer will take on the responsibility of collecting it, which can save you time and effort. However, this could also mean a slower process compared to court proceedings, where you have more control over presenting your evidence. Witness testimony. In terms of witness testimony, the labor inspection officer will handle the examination of witnesses. In contrast, if you go to court, your lawyer will manage this part, giving you the opportunity to choose and present witnesses to support your case. Time frame. The time frame for resolution can vary. The labor inspection officer has up to 60 days, extendable by 30 days, to investigate. If the officer rules in your favor, the employer must pay within 30 days. On the other hand, court proceedings can be faster but also depend on the court's schedule. Compensation amounts. As for the compensation, through the labor inspection officer, you can claim only specific types of compensation, such as severance pay or statutory entitlements. In court, you might be able to claim a broader range of damages. Conclusion. In summary, approaching the labor inspection officer is suitable for straightforward cases with smaller amounts and standard terminations. For complex cases involving significant sums or requiring legal expertise, taking your case to court is the better option. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, if you're facing wrongful termination, know your rights and choose the path that best suits your situation.